Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? It's your boy Frank again with another day. Why? Today we will be working on the Terrano or Mistral, where we are about to replace the water pump. So stay tuned. So as the title suggested, and I just introduced it to you guys, we are about to replace the water pump, which sits just right here on the back. It's held by two 14 mil and the other ones which are 12 mils. So in order to do this, I think we need to remove the radiator, although we can do it without removing, where actually we have to remove the fan. I will try first to remove it without removing the radiator, so we don't have a lot of job. You will have to untension your belts and you will be good to go. So let's put some gloves and start doing the job. Alright fellas, just remove the radiator. Actually it will be much easier if you have the radiator off, so you can easily access. You see you have those 10 mil bolts that you have to remove from the fan, and you'll be able to untension the belt. So you will have to untight this 14. You use this tensioner to relieve the tension from the which is called from the steering power steering pump, and also you will have to untight or remove the tension from this one from the alternator. So let's go ahead and do that. So just remove the belts, the fan, as you guys probably seeing there. So now what we have to do, as I said, we have this 14 right here, we have another 14 right there, and we have a bunch of 12s, and we just have to remove those and crank the water pump. It should come off, as you probably seen there. Let's go ahead and do that. So basically the 14s, there are guiding bolts. So actually are the ones that you have nuts, and the other ones are just bolts. Okay, so we just undid all the bolts. If you have a rubber hammer, just hit it with that. Otherwise, just pry it up. You can use your tire wrench or something similar. Oh yeah, so expect to have more antifreeze coming out. my god, what a loss. There you go. We managed to remove our pump. Oh, the bearing was stuffed. Oh yeah, the bearing was really bad. It is just making a noise, which I think is one of the issues. And I shouldn't be turning this so easy. So let's go to the store, buy a new one, and I will compare to you guys. Woohoo! So finally got the new pump, as you guys are seeing there on the box. I will just do a quick comparison to show you what a bad bearing looks like on a pump. This one spins freely comparing to this one, but let's go ahead, clean up the car and discuss it back. So at that point I've just removed all the gasket materials of the old pump. Everything was clean, so it was ready for the new one. Just like that. Added a little bit of RTV before I placed the paper gasket. Also did the same on the water pump, just to make sure that it seals perfectly. You don't want antifreeze to be leaking. So the next step was just to add back the bolts that we removed earlier and basically torque them to spec, and that by then we were good to go. Oh yeah. So got the pump installed, as you guys can see. Look how smooth this one turns. Bolted up. So now let's put back the radiator and the fan, top up the coolant, and we should be good to go. Awesome. Oh, and just like that, because things don't go right sometimes, that specific water pump was leaking internally. I believe that you guys can see over there. It was that antifreeze was not coming from the gasket itself, but from the center of the water pump. So yeah, that was a pain for us.
Many adorable hours later.
So as you may see, we got the new pump. So you can see that this one is black over there comparing to the previous one that we had. So I'm just testing this one. The old one was just leaking just for over there. You can see that hole there when I just put it in water, and this one looks to be good. So let me go ahead and mount it back. Just assembled everything, topped up the coolant. Let me go ahead and start it up and see how it will behave. Alright, time to start it up. Glow plugs, fire in the house. Oh yep, she just started. 25 degrees temperature. Let's see. So as you guys can see right there, thermostat is open. This one opens at 72 degrees, and voila. Funny thing about the difference between the OEM and the aftermarket one, I believe that you can see over there. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, please do not forget to leave your like, your comment, and I hope to see you around. Cheers.